Good morning, plumbers. As you know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. All while teaching these two young bucks the trade. Today's adventure, we're going to change a Moen cartridge on a tub and shower faucet. Okay, we're going to change out this Moen cartridge. Ooh. They have a tub, broken tub. Ah, little homemade repair.
Chuck?
Yes. Do you know we can actually, if this, did you fix this tub yourself?
No, when I bought this place
Was
in
like that?
91, it was like that.
Okay, if you ever have problems with it, we can get it fixed.
Yeah,
I just had a tub fixed at my shop, so.
yeah.
Alright?
All right.
What do you do?
Get this all right.
Pop the cap off first.
Here?
Right here, shoot. I just did next door, so right here. Get their flathead in there. Just double check the water. Turn the water on and off. Pull it out. Left to right. There you go. Alright. Little Moen cartridge repair. Pull the handle off. Pull that thing straight out, the escutcheon.
Oh wait, right here?
Don't grab by that. You want to grab by something flat. There you go. Straight out. Now, right here is a horseshoe clip.
Yeah.
Pull that straight up.
Do you want me to use the
Needle nose?
needle nose? Yeah.
Okay. Pull it straight up. Hold on. Use your pliers, because if you don't, here, do one thing. Here's push this in right here in the cartridge a little bit. Get your needle nose, push the cartridge in a little bit.
Right here.
Yeah. Alright. Now try to use your pliers. Maybe I'll get a better grip if you right on. There you go. Don't bend it, just go straight up. Alright, watch out. That's what I was afraid of. Of course, this wasn't going to be easy, right?
It looks better on us a little bit. Back.
Hold the light for me. This lesson just went to shit, didn't it? Hand me my awl. There's an awl in there, Angelo. You have to show him what the awl is, Chuck. There it is. See what I'm gonna try to do? Watch this. Hold this light for me.
You want to use this? There?
No. I want to try to put this right in here. We just got lucky. Alright, I'll let you take over now. For some reason, it looks like it's bent. Like maybe someone put it in wrong, or maybe someone did something different. Alright, so go ahead and get in there. Alright, we just got lucky big time.
What would we do if we did it? If we couldn't get that?
I would probably have to break out the, ruin the horseshoe clip and I'm going to get another one, which I know I don't have one on the truck.
You need this clamp for
Yeah, pull it straight up. Straight up. See, you're right, someone has it in there wrong. Go ahead. Tell you what, hold on. Get your pliers, don't use that because you're going to bend the crap out of it. That horseshoe clips everything right here. Real nice, don't. Why did it come
breaking.
Alright, let me get in there, dude. Sorry, man. I don't want... We're trying this and sometimes you just gotta, give me some light. Sometimes you just gotta not try and go crazy on it, you know what I mean? Let me see the all again. It has two little hooks on it that are catching here. Watch this. Alright. This is really... It looks like someone pulled it out and bent it, you know what I mean? So, we're going to try and reuse this. It's going to be iffy. Pull this out, right? Just real steady, boom, and pull it straight out, okay? Oh, that came out too easy. Alright, cool. That was actually easier than I thought. New cartridge. Double lesson. Who's the best helper?
Right here.
No, around where it slides in. Put a little grease on everything. There you go. Get another dab will do you. Okay? Don't be scared to use it. We got plenty of grease. Put some on this other ring too, please. There you go. Alright. Straight in. Now look.
Do you want that up?
Yeah, straight up and down, because this is where the horseshoe clip goes.
Yeah.
Holds it in, okay?
I tried using this.
Push it straight in. There you go. Now get your needle nose.
And push behind it. Like
Push right on top.
It's a little turn. Is that up?
You're going to use your needle nose to fix that too. Go ahead and use them. There you go. Let's put that horseshoe clip back in.
Is that good?
Yeah. Don't force it. Don't force it. Should slide right there. Oh, there you go. Now look. See where it's bent?
Yeah.
Get your needle nose. Just push it, because here's where it goes. Look where it goes.
Yeah.
Look under the faucet.
Yeah, I see it.
A little slot. That's where it goes. That holds the cartridge in place.
Looks too short. Anyway.
No, it's not too short.
It's too short.
It's not.
Okay. Even if I get it over the slot, it's not gonna be down.
This goes all the way down like so. You pull it back out. Use your needle nose. There you go. Straighten out that horseshoe clip. You see what has to happen, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Alright. This might require a new clip, but we're going to try and get away with this. Now it should drop right into your spots. There you go. Do what you got to do there. Make sure to just push it in, goes in that slot, okay? Need more light?
No, I just won't go with the bends.
There you go. Just work it, Daddy. Don't go crazy. You see what we got? This is the difference between getting the job done and a trip to the supply house. Because I don't know who did this before, but there. Oh, that sounded good. All right, good. There you go. Alright.
What does the cartridge do for the shadow?
That's actually the washer. Turns it off and on. That's actually the...
Well, like, how does it go bad?
where the O-rings go bad or it gets clogged up with dirt or it's too hard to pull in and out. That's what their complaint this time. It's too hard to pull in and out. So that's why I put the grease on. Guess what you can go do? Go turn the water on, real slow. All right, right now they're turning the water back on. So we had a little dilemma with the horseshoe pin, but we got it. And this is what we got to do. We got to get the man to do this himself. Hands on for you apprentices. Got to do it. As much as I want to get in and out of here, we're going to teach first today. Today is a teaching day. Next move is turn the hot water on. Turn it to the left. Hot? Yeah. You got it right, Daniel. It was a good guess. Put the cap on. Make sure your handle's tight though, okay? We tightened that up, didn't we?
Yeah.
Just to give it extra snug. And that's it. It's a wrap. Clean up that tub. Good job. A clean job is a neat job. How about this one? This is all you.
It's all you see, hey?
Oh, this guy.
That line's a little too
It's a little too what?
corny for me, see, eh? Water on?
Is the water on?
You hear it running?
Did you hear it running?
Yeah.
How soft are you right now? And there goes another satisfying customer.